guys. So few days back I went to market to buy some mask, but I did not get any good mask, not even a surgical mask. So I decided to make stitch it myself. So earlier I made one with this one, but it did not go good. And even this guy was totally unhappy with that. So I decided to 3D print one. I found some very cool design by Sadex. This is the one. But after printing it, I got to know that it is not useful at all because it does not have any arrangement to fit a standard filter in this. So I decided to modify the design and make a slot to add some standard filters to it. So I made few changes and I added some filter to it, as you can see, and I try to make it more safe to use by adding few things to it. So I'll share how I made these designs from the other side of the camera. Okay, so these are the basic parts which are going to get assembled with this 3D printed mask. The first one, this one is a washer which I cut from a craft foam sheet. This is the base which is going to get connected to the male portion of this mask. Then this is the connector, this is the shield part, the filter and the supporter. So which material you can use for the filter? There is a very nice research paper published by Cambridge University. I'll share that with you on the at the end of this video. So let us start with the assembly part. Oops. So yeah, so first thing goes first, the washer, and then the connector part. This fits really nicely here, tight and fit, and then you need to press bit down and then rotate it clockwise to arrest its motion, and this fits very nicely. The next portion is this connector. Fit the shield, this portion from the outside, and then the filter material. This filter material is cut a bit larger than the support part, and yeah, so it's assembled this way. So next step is to assemble it with the mask. Perfect. This thing you can still rotate. Okay, and our mask is ready to use. So to improve it further, for so yeah, as you can see here, I added a layer of craft foam so that the air inhaled inside the nose comes from here and not somewhere else. So this fits really tight, and yeah, I have not glued it yet, but yes, this is the basic idea. I've added a layer of craft foam this way to make it more safe. You can add some other materials also, such as rubber tubings and some other part. It depends on you. I've gone through this way. Yeah, so this comes to an end of the assembly part. So, and now this guy is happy. Yeah.